Thank you guys for waiting.
Sure, no problem.
I have a bit of bad news, though.
What is it?
Well, you see, there was no food. I couldn't find any. There was none. They were, like, all gone this time. It was weird. There used to be so much before. Do you know what's going on?
What? What do you mean by that?
What I'm saying, you two, they're all gone. There's no food anywhere. Like, the planes, they're nowhere to be seen. I don't know if the hunters came. What if they did? What do we do?
It's fine. I don't think the hunters will find us anyways. And plus, we dogs are in a very good hiding spot. There's no way they'll find us.
True, but they're just getting closer and closer. I'm just afraid they'll find me again.
It's fine. I'll make sure that won't happen again.
Thank you, Agent.
Of course. Anything for my best friend. Hey guys, we should get our mind off things and go to the watering hole. Maybe getting a drink will help you calm down.
Sounds good. I'm painting anyway. Let's go.
Alright, I'll lead the way. Alright, let's go.
Wait a minute, where's the water now?
This is weird. It was here yesterday. It must have dried up.
But how? There was a whole stream yesterday.
The sun must have dried it up.
Man, today's not going so well.
What was that?
Sound like running.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Alright, be careful. You never know what it is.
Well.
What do you think it is?
Could just be a bird.
Alright, let's go check it out.
Guys, I see something.
Let me see.
I see something moving around.
We should go check it out.
What'd you guys find?
I don't know. I can barely see it.
We see something moving. Are you gonna go check it out? I don't know. It seems kind of risky.
Well, if it's an animal, you're good with them.
Alright, I'll go check it out.
Alright.
Hello?
Look beside you.
Hey, little guy.
It's a puppy. It's going off. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just startled me.
It's okay. Are we gonna go get him?
Follow me. I saw it go this way.
Coming. Right behind you.
I see it. Hey, don't worry. We're not gonna hurt you. Come here, little guy. We're not gonna hurt you. Be careful. We don't want to startle it. Come here, little guy. We're not gonna hurt you. What's your name?
I'm Rex. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, little guy.
We won't hurt you, we promise.
Do you want to come back with us? Do you have a home?
Sure, I would love to. I don't really usually see other dogs around here. Well, you're welcome.
Come on, follow me. We'll show you back to our den. Come on.
Do you want to ride on my back?
Sure. We're back. Home sweet home. All right, let's get some sleep.
I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Come on, let's go.
Good night. Good night. Good night, Warren.